middle ground. But you're doing a great job. You're doing a great job keeping Teddy entertained. Thank you.
No, me.
You can bolt to it, Tur.
No. He's doing now. No, I cannot listen here. He's doing now. And I can do it here.
And then there's that guy's hair.
Stop, we get it. Stop.
Charles, you stop. You're the one that's causing the problem, bro.
Wait.
Leave it. Let it go.
No, you let it go.
Excuse me?
Where you let it go?
Excuse me.
He's looking.
All right, we're gonna get dinner, lunch, and you're gonna stay in the car. I am not gonna be talked to that way. And that's Teddy now. Making the noise.
Blah, blah, blah.
Okay, so tons of shops up and down all these rows. Da-da-da-da-da. That might be your answer.
Yeah, I feel like
Let's take a quick turn. Because there's, I mean, a ton of shops.
Well, we don't have to shop at the
No, I know, but
plaza.
just that's why we're driving through, Jerica, and not walking it. Teddy Bear Restaurant Beer and Wine. Jasper's Smokehouse and Stikes.
Stikes. Oh, this is super cute. It's like Main Street Park City.
Yeah.
I'm class of 2022, you know. Do I not matter? Does it not matter?
You cut me, do I not bleed? Okay. Okay. Come on, knockers of farts.
Oh man, they're just, everyone's just relaxing. No one's awake.
Nope. You're in Trump country, honey. Well, the Big Bear's not too bad.
Oh, it even goes this way. Parallel. I meant this way.
Yeah.
Ugh, why does there have to be Jack in the Box? It ruins everything.
That's where we had our Royal Thai Bistro last night.
Oh, we did? This is what we had, where we had it.
Yeah.
Whiskey Dave's.
Yep. There's a
Oh, the really sweet shop. That's Michael's.
there's a pretty rad toy store around here too.
Special.
I think it might be the next block up.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's kind of fun, kind of cool, like toys for kids
Is
and
it that
grown-ups.
game? Superhero toys?
No. This one right here, Stupid Idiotic.
Oh, cute. Okay. Well, we might have to, without the children,
While they're in prison.
while they're in prison. Oh, cute! What's that? Oh, restaurant.
At a hotel.
Oh,
It's a hotel.
Tropical. Why so tropical?
You want to get tattoos or body piercings?
Lincoln might.
You want to get Lincoln a belly button ring for his birthday?
Yeah, he's got a nice belly.
Might as well adorn it.
Huh?
We're gonna put another hole in your belly button and then hang a jewel from it.
Yeah, we're gonna pierce your belly button.
And then of course there's the old bowling ball.
Oh, the bowling barn. We're gonna pierce your belly button and tie a string to it, and then the other part of the string is gonna be tied to my nose ring. And we're gonna be like that forever.
Thank you. Much obliged.
I'm teasing.
He's the teeth. He's the teeth.
I could say anything. You'd be like, Mom.
But Mom!
What do you want to do? I don't want a tattoo. 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 I don't want You.
You.
Because you take things so serious.
I'm so serious.
You're a serious Maximus.
Wow.
Oh shit. Now, from what I hear, this guy in front of us is not your average bowler.
That's your average bowler.
Do you know where the worst place to get a mosquito bite is, Jerica? Right on the knuckle. No puedo scratch it. Okay, back up Pine Knot. Pine Knot. Whew. She is wearing shorts. Wasn't sure for a second there.
Oh, come on.
Yeah, come on, mueven las nalgas. Mueven las nalgas. That means move your butt cheeks. Okay, Peppercorn Grill. It's just kind of like an old folks, oldiness.
Why is there no one in this parking lot?
Because it's for Peppercorn Grill, no one wants to go there unless they're old.
Oh.
That's where you take grandma for after graduation. We're parking around the back.
I was going to say, why is there no one here?
And we got Cribbledy Dibbledy parking.
Oh, Front Row Joe's.
Thanks for the.
Front Row Lincoln, Charlie's, and Teddy's. Yeah, we're just gonna drive in. Just tuck your head.
I'm going to. Are you teasing?
Nope, we're gonna just drive right through those doors. Watch out, guy. They'll never forget us.
Mom, you're teasing. Are you?
No, they'll never forget us.
They'll never forget
You're
us.
the coolest.
What? Huh?
Why do you keep teasing me?
Because it's so
It's so easy.
easy. Oh, my stomach hurts so bad.
I'm going to get off. I'm ready.